Today we are working on Excel Lesson 6, the first lesson, creating a basic chart. So the worksheet you should have open up is this one. And it says this worksheet shows the number of times that potential customers of Talano Adventures are accessing their website. So select the range of cells from A4 to G11. Note that the row and column titles were included in this range, but the total values were not. You can see the total values were not included. If you wish, you can include the totals in the chart. In many cases, however, the purpose of creating a chart is to show any patterns in the data. Including the totals will actually reduce the visibility of the pattern because their presence causes the rest of the data to shrink in size. So that's why you wouldn't want to do that. So mark that as answer. Go to the next one. On the Insert tab, so click the Insert tab. In the Charts group, here's your Charts group over here. Click Insert Column or Bar Chart. It's this button right here, Insert Column or Bar Chart. Point to each of the icons in the down menu. A live preview of the selected chart is displayed. If none of them meet your requirement, you can click on a different chart type from the ribbon. Click the clustered column option, the leftmost in the 2D column. So that's this one right here. So click that. The column chart now displays. Note that whenever you select the chart, the cells containing the source data are marked, and then two new tabs display under Chart Tools. So let's mark that as answer. Go to the next one. Providing alt text for your charts, it helps ensure your workbooks are globally accessible. Right-click any empty area in the chart. So right-click and then click Edit Alt Text. That'll open the Alt Text task pane. Click in the text box in the task pane and then type column chart of website hits for January through June. If you'll type that. I just did Control-C and copied it, and then Control-V and pasted it. Close the task pane. Mark as answered and submit. Submit results. 3 green checks, so this completes creating a basic chart.